Morning to one and all. My name is Sai Majority. Today we are discussing about drawbacks or disadvantages of file systems. The disadvantages of file processing before management system means is used for storing data for file processing systems. So there are 10 disadvantages of live processing, a file processing system. There are data redundancy, data inconsistency, data isolation, structural dependency, data dependency, no security, poor enforcement. Seventh, eighth, existence of program maintenance. Low programming productivity. Last, no atomicity. So these are 10 disadvantages of file systems. We can see some advantages. We can talk. So first we can see data redundancy. Redundancy means repetition of data. Some type of data repeated by different places, so that this redundancy. But due to this redundancy, some information may be duplicated, leads to higher storage and access cost. Change is reflected at all places. Repetition of data in more than one place is called data redundancy. It causes wastage of storage, data entry errors, data inconsistency, data anomaly. Last, undefined situations. Second, we gotta go to data inconsistency. When data redundancy occurs, then inconsistency occurs. Always related with each other, so data is not updated files simultaneously. When address of a person changes, It should also reflect in other files as well. One data having different forms at different places. Due to data redundancies, inconsistency arises. This is the data inconsistency. So another we can see the data isolation. Data is separated in which system any changes made in one system may be not be ever visible to other systems. Data is separated in which in each system any changes made in one system may be not visible to other systems. Next we are go to fourth disadvantages, structural dependency. In any function structure of data of a file requires charges in programs that access that file is called structural dependency. In any change of structure of data of a file requires charges in programs that access that file. Example we can take to add remove field we have to change in structure of programs means customer we can take here means student number, serial number, name, address, phone number, and another address number. Here we can take int for integer numbers, character for name. Here next disadvantages was data dependency. Any changes in data storage characteristics like width, data type, etc. need to charges in program that access that file is called data dependency. Example, we can take here customer. Here, here we can take again serial number, name, and only address. Here int for numbers, character for name. Example, we can take 20, 30. Programming 1, 2, 3. Readings are there in this. Means working. So we can go to sixth property, no security. There is no security mechanisms to protect the data from unauthorized users. So the data can be viewed, modified, or removed by any one customer. There is no security mechanisms to protect the data from unauthorized. Means you can take example railway. Here railway giving the process we can only see ready, not deletion and insertion. To example we can take any trial information we give, we can only read. We do not delete the train and do not insert option, we cannot there. This is called no security. So the data can be viewed, modified, or removed by any one customer. Here in another example we can see computers. Computers when all are viewed and modified and removed the any process files. So the data can be viewed, modified, and removed by any person. So no security is there in computers by DBMS. Another we can say poor enforcement. As each subsystem maintains different set of files that are developed by different persons users, they may maintain different standards like data types with etc. These are poor enforcements of standards. The maintain different set of files that are developed by different persons. Here last we can see no atomicity. Atomicity means completing operations as whole or incomplete it. There is no such mechanism in file system. Here we can see system admission difference. Means atomicity means completing the operation as whole or uncompleted. There is no such mechanisms. There are no such mechanisms in file systems to come back previous state. System administration is different. Here we can say that the one of the disadvantages in this system administration is different in it, as the number of files in a system increases and number of programs also increases, so the administration became difficult. So here we can see some disadvantages of drawback or disadvantages of file systems, so we can learn more. Okay, bye, thank you.